So we're actually doing dressing, which is stuffing outside of the bird.
Outside of the bird.
Which I prefer because you can sort of cook it and get it crispier.
There's more crispy bits.
Yeah, I like it. And you can control it. So, dressing or stuffing. So this is dressing, which means it is cooked outside. So I have just some beautifully seared sausage. It makes its own oil. And to this, I'm going to add, and you're going to just stir for me, some celery, some fennel. Oh, that smells so good.
Celery,
some fennel, some carrots, onion, and chestnut.
I love chestnuts.
And these chestnuts are frozen. It's perfectly okay. They're from the freezer section.
You can also get them in those cryovac bags right in the produce department.
They're great.
You don't have to literally roast the chestnuts over an open fire.
All right, and so we're going to add to that some salt, some pepper.
You want me to swap that one with this one?
Yes, please. We're going to let it.
Pull this forward.
Yeah, we're going to let it just.
This one's cooked out.
Season a bit, and then be careful.
I got it.
Add a little bit of chicken stock.
Stop it up. Oh, stop it.
Okay, cornbread. So this is cornbread I made, all right?
Beautiful.
But you can buy it. It's one of the things it's perfectly, but you can buy it. It's frozen. It's good, even frozen. I'm just going to crumble it up and put it in here. And that is dressing. It's very quick and very easy. We're going to take it.
Very delicious.
We're going to take it out and we're going to bake it for about 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay.
Let me put it in the casserole dish down there, Jeezy.
Here.
I gotcha.
You got it. That is 45 minutes later. We have boiling water here. And we're going to take just a little bit of the cauliflower we've cut up, right?
Yeah.
Florets. This is going to go in. I need you to wash that for me, about a minute.
Okay.
And then while I'm starting my dressing, you're going to drain that, put a little olive oil in here, and sear it for me.
Sure.
Okay. And while you're doing that, I'm going to make an anchois. And an anchois is basically, I don't know, it sounds like it has anchovy in it, and it does.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's a fantastic dressing that is I don't know, it's sort of like a pesto, a Mediterranean pesto, south of France kind of thing.
It's a natural salt.
Yes.
It's a salty, delicious thing.
Really, really good. So we're going to take a garlic, and this is a mortar and pestle, which I love. A garlic is very simple to make. Some capers, a little bit of 1 or 2 anchovies. Let's put 1. Let's put 2.
Or 4.
Or 4. Some chives. How you doing over there?
I'm doing fine.
Okay.
I put my little florets on their muffin, on their dish towel.
And the good thing about cauliflower is you don't have to shock it because it's not going to go from light green to dark green and brown. Okay, a little bit of lemon juice.
And then it's going to go into the olive oil.
Beautiful. Lemon juice, a little bit of vinegar, and then I'm just going to mash it all together. And the beauty of this is it just comes together, and it's a fantastic, you can smell it, it's fragrant. The garlic matches, the anchovy matches. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper.
Yum.
Okay. So this is going to be all mashed together. I'm going to add a little olive oil out of your beautiful cruet, I might add. Oh, see how nicely caramelized that is? So you notice we just cooked it 1 minute here. And if it gets a little dry, it doesn't really matter because we're going to add a little more olive oil. All right, we're cooking here. What I like about this is it's a dish that you can cook. The cauliflower is ready. You blanch it in 1 minute, and it's perfect, and it's very easy. We have our cauliflower here. Let's put it right here.
We're
gonna toss it. Anchois is right here. I have some made right here.
Oh, beautiful.
And a little more olive oil.
Oh, God, that smells good, huh?
Fresh parsley, and this is so good for you, and so delicious, and very inexpensive.
This
is
just
not an
smells
expensive side dish.
amazing.
Look at that. I know they're moaning.
I know. I often wonder, Wendy Williams is our neighbor here. I often wonder what she thinks about us when she hears everybody going, oh.
How about just a touch of lemon juice? And that would be a perfect side for lasagna, don't you think?
Yes!
Yeah, exactly.